they want to say. So, like, just one close-up.
I'm outraged! I love my Webkinz and I hate Sonic! He will die today, and I hope so! Bye-bye!
Okay, now, Big PJ.
My son got me into this, so I don't know why this is happening, but still, we love the Webkinz. We hate Sonic because he talks trash about teddy bears in the world.
Now,
And he eats too many chili dogs, and so he can get diarrhea. And you know what? He never gets diarrhea. I think he takes some kind of Pepto-Bismol. It's just annoying.
he actually has gas instead. So, people, when he's eating chili dogs, never stand by him.
Sonic is very annoying. Wait, are you taping this?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Camera shy.
Okay, now Mario. Mario or Peach.
Wait, okay. Come over here. Come to me. Should I stop the video? No. Okay. I am outraged to find that Sonic is fighting against these beautiful, cute little Webkinz. We know the Webkinz are going to win. It's 3 against 1. This is going to be a good fight, and there's going to be a lot of popcorn. It's at the Allstate Arena at 3 o'clock. This is going to be good. Back to the teddy bears. Hi. Hi. I am Peach. I am Mario's wife. I might not look like it, but still. Mario's been wanting to see this dumb fight for his whole life. Oh, Peach! Come with me to go see this fight next year. Peach! I can't wait till our wedding day. Only 1 year away from the fight. Peach! 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 Fight! 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 Why does this always have to revolve? Why does the world always have to revolve around Mario? Why not me and Luigi? Or Daisy? Like, really? Goodbye. I am Mario's hat.
Wait, what?